So it's now Thursday. We got up really late actually because we were up in the night wanting to look at the winds and how the storm was progressing. It wasn't actually too bad. Just got really windy. The trees outside are still standing. There was like leaves all, oh, the camera's not moving. There was leaves all over the floor outside the door, but we've heard them. Why is this not moving? So yeah, the trees are still standing. It's still quite flooded by the roots of the trees. They've been by to clear all the leaves and debris out of the walkway. There was a tree down somewhere near this block. Yeah, apparently the food court's back open and parks are opening up tomorrow, so I think we're going to have a wander around the hotel, maybe play some Pokemon Go.
Recharge tomorrow, hit it hard.
We're just going to go and see what's happening. It's probably gone now.
As far as that didn't stay, yeah.
Debris there on the floor. Looks like they're having to pump some water away from over there. Looks like this is the area that had some fallen trees. Doing some sort of clearance over there. So there's quite a big clean-up operation going on at the moment, a few fallen trees, but damage doesn't look too bad. I mean, all these palm trees are still standing. Swimming pool's back open.
They've worked pretty quickly to
they do.
clearing debris and let people use the pool.
Here's the reception. The shop is very busy. This is where we usually go out to the bus. Obviously it's all closed. Should we walk around here?
Movies is furthest away, isn't it?
I don't know.
You want to go...
Some snapped twigs up there.
I like bamboo. It's bamboo. Like, prove it. It's all in my arm.
It's a little light spit in the air. The swimming pool is absolutely heaving with people. The swimming pool up near our room is still closed. This is like the main pool, so I guess they just wanted to get this one open. It's very busy.
Didn't have as many trees nearby, so there less debris as well.
Yeah. This is where our room overlooks, I'm pretty sure. I think our room's over there somewhere.
That's our destination.
The hotel have been really good at getting things cleaned up. I think they started as soon as it was safe to go outside, and there's just people everywhere sorting stuff out. Just saw one of the lower levels of one of the other blocks looked a bit flooded. We're actually now going to just have a look around some of the other all-star sports hotels just while we've got some free time. So yeah, Little light spit in the air. It's still a bit breezy, but other than that, it's alright. We've got All Star Sports. We've got Donald Duck playing tennis.
The block with tennis themes, so I guess maybe it is tennis.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Just next to basketball. It's a nice classic Mickey statue.
Looks like this is a surfboard themed area, a surfboard bay pool.
Surfboards and lifeguards. It's a big surfboard.
The sun's starting to come up. It looked like that area got quite
It's in a bit of a dip, isn't it?
So it looks like this is the front of the hotel. We've got like the bar area.
This is the equivalent of our like Calypso area, isn't it? Giant shark fin. It's one shark you don't want to come across. Hey Sam, big shark fin.
You only just realised what that was.
It'd be one hell of a shark. Complex layout. Seen tennis. Seen surfing. So the American football and baseball we'll go to next. We'll do basketball on the way back then.
Don't want to miss anything.
Just in the rear section where the bus stop is. Reception, the shops, the food court all had exactly the same layout as you'd expect. Shop had a different setup.
Different setup, but like similar.
Similar items.
Similar things.
Nothing particularly exclusive from what I could tell. Now heading over to American football. Looks like that big Coca-Cola cup that we see is part of baseball.
It was so good. Oh, it was so good. Let's say for
Go on Sam, run down the pitch, I'll throw the ball for you. Those big helmets are fun. I forget what team Tim follows.
Lines, isn't it?
Was it Lions? Don't see Lions. Home run. That's quite cool. An interesting layout. This one's got a goofy
Doesn't look like
central bit. It's like a secondary pool.
Big pool. That's fine, at least there's a pool open.
Probably not the most practical seating setup, but it looks good. Giant American football. Trust Goofy to try and find alternative means to play. Goofy and Max showing up at sports. Decided to start playing American football on the pitch here. It's fun for the kids. Goofy's got an arm on him.
back to the first pose. We're going to get back to the upper max. We're going to stay right here in the center of the edge.
Right here. You gotta help cheer on Max.
It's okay, guys. We're okay. We'll have another try.
That was good.
Alright, bring it back to you.
And then this is the last block we haven't yet explored properly in sports. Got giant whistles for the entrance here. I know they wouldn't, it'd cause havoc if these balls came off, wouldn't it? I'd like to see someone slam dunk that. It's what you call a basketball net. You need to stand next to the pole to give it scale.
We'll go to the other one.
Walking under the whistle. I'll stand here so everyone can see. Slam dunk. Bit of damage behind basketball. See a tree snapped in half.
So we finished looking around All Star Sports, and my opinion is I prefer All Star Music to All Star Sports, because the sports one just seems a bit more hectic and manic, whereas you come back here and everything's just a bit more chilled out. But there's like the layout is more spaced out as well.
You have the ambient music.
Yeah. So now we've come back to music. We've decided we're going to get something for lunch, and then we are going to head over to All Star Movies. So yeah, it's starting to spit a little bit again. The sun did come out when we was in the other hotel.
We'll probably just shower while we're eating and we'll
Yeah.
carry on the movie.
So yeah, we're going to head for lunch now.
Chippendale, outside the food court. We're going into the arcade. Should we get food? It's off to go play in the arcade.
Food court is a bit quieter today.
Everything was well
There's
stocked.
plenty of water and all the shelves in here are still stocked up. Okay, so we've got our food. Dave's got chicken strips and I've got roasted chicken with cauliflower and rice. We've got a couple of desserts.
It's Mickey themed.
I'm actually quite hungry. We've got our resort mugs filled up now. Got some Coke. So yeah, let's dig in.
No hair dryers required. So, finished having something to eat. Now we're going to head the opposite direction to music. Head toward movies.
I've been looking forward to seeing movies because they have like big Toy Story bits about.
Let's see what it's like. I'd imagine they've done most of the clean-up then, have they? Little bits and bobs of debris about. It's a nice little park here, look. Just closed off, probably following the hurricane, but
Oh yeah, I didn't realise that.
nice little play area for kids. Didn't realise this was here. So that's just between music and movies.
Quite a lot of stuff around on the floor.
Stuff. So they've got a big, what do they call them again?
Like
Cake board. Clapper thing. Let's see which one this one is then. It's definitely got some sort of film or cinema or something style to it. Big Fantasia book. They're quite cool. And there's like tools. It's Herbie. That's the car that comes to life, isn't it?
I can't remember.
I think it is.
Can you take my picture?
Bit of a drainage smell around here.
What?
Bit of a drainage smell around here. Fantasia's cool. That's pretty cool. So now we're working away from the Herbie tool love bug section into Fantasia. You recognise the big magic brooms, giant nutcrackers, ballerina. A huge Jack in the Box. It's pretty cool. Nice little fire pit in the middle here, next to a Fantasia Donald. So for those of you that remember the Hat in Hollywood Studios, not quite the same, but similar. I've got to walk inside this thing. Hello, 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 hello. That is cool. If it was me though, I'd definitely put some lights inside of this thing. Have the stars light up at night. It look cool. Sam! Just go in there, it's cool. It's the ultimate shelter. It's a place to be during a hurricane.
Oh, I didn't expect it to be all like this.
I was just saying how cool it would be if they put lights inside of this.
Yeah, I love all these ferns.
Love your ferns. Ideal condition for ferns. Humid and shady. So we're in movies reception.
I like this.
Nice shiny floor. Food court's been refurbished, so they've got some tables you can sit up in the corridor. Got a caricature artist set up here. So you can have your caricature done. You get some big lips. I get some big ears. Can you imagine a Maggie one? Bring a picture of us. I don't know. Can you imagine it? You literally spend the whole holiday looking for something and even ask a cast member because it seems to be sold out. And then you get an abundance of them. It's crazy. Holly's gonna love it though.
Do they come with the stand and everything?
I'm not sure. Don't think so. So we've just checked out the shop in the front entrance. We've done Love Bug, done Fantasia. So
Have we done Love Bug? Oh yeah.
that's where we started. So should we do Toy Story next?
We've got that one over the back there.
Yes, Toy Story, and then we'll finish up with
what's that?
Dalmatians and Mighty Ducks.
What's that?
Toy Story. Do 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 do. Do you want to do Toy Story first?
Yeah, I'll go wherever.
We'll come back and do Dalmatians and Mighty Ducks. I like the little Fantasia stage show Mickey that they've got up their front door. It's cool. Yeah, it could be quite nice. Outdoor seating area. The real spot just next to Toy Story. Could be quite nice in the evening. For those with eagle eyes, you'll see the RC car, complete with Bucket's toy soldiers. What do you think?
I really like it.
It's cool, isn't it? Toy Story's always got that extra special place in my heart, so it'd be quite cool to stay here actually. This is quite fun. As you walk through the main entrance, they've got this little divider that's made to look like, I'm guessing it's Andy's bedroom door. You're about to witness Sam doing her thing. And two, and two, and two, and two. Walk through a giant door. Whoa! Andy's room, keep out. Except Molly. Wow. Check it out. Giant Woody. And giant Buzz. Super fun. To infinity and beyond. Enormous draft set. Checkers. For those of you who know your Harry Potter, this kind of gives you Philosopher's Stone vibes as well. Do you know what I mean? It's like the giant chessboard. Now we're walking into 101 Dalmatians. You're going to count them? I'd be really impressed if there's 101, but I doubt it.
I was going to say, do you think
Shall I do it? Sam, there is in fact 101. I counted them all. There's actually 101, including the two giant ones.
Counted 101.
Yeah.
How like should that take you ages?
No, just counted them. Now, having counted all the Dalmatians, 101, had all picture opportunities. Now,
Disney, they're like very good at making sure all the little details are like right up there.
yeah, I mean, at first, I thought, there's only 100 on the building, including the two giant ones. But nope, they had one little tiny one looking at the TV, making it 101.
I wouldn't expect any less.
Nope. So that Disney magic. And that then leads us on to the last block of movies, which is the Mighty Ducks. Didn't think they had any villains, they do actually have Cruella at the top. Does anyone remember Mighty Ducks? Got the distinctive duck mask. Each entrance. All the hockey
Never heard
sticks.
of that before.
You haven't heard of Mighty Ducks? Oh god, remember it's all about the triangle formation. Got the pucks. Back in the rock block. Thought we'd have another look at the...
Take one more lap round our hotel.
Yeah, just to get some fresh photos of all the bits in music. So it's all up to date. Sam's favourite Chevy. Very big cricket.
I'm scared it's going to jump.
It's gonna jump. It's huge. Sam's taking safety. It's gonna get you. Oh, was it supposed to be lit up? Disney magic.
I'll get pictures there in a minute.
So at lunchtime it wasn't so bad. And now there's a horrendous queue going all the way back to the entrance. It's crazy. I think maybe this is one of the quieter food courts.
What?
All the other food courts are open, aren't they? Don't know.
Probably just because it's dinner time and everyone's in the hotel.
It's a 7:30. Everybody's eating at the same time.
It's probably like this. So we've just been walking around our hotel, All Star Music, been taking a few pictures around. It's now about 7:30, I think. The food court was absolutely heaving with people, so I'm glad we had our food a bit earlier. I think we're going to see if we can connect Dave's phone to the TV to watch The Shining tonight. We've been watching, they've had nightly horror films on AMC. Is that right?
So again?
Nightly horror films on AMC.
Yeah, it's Final Destination this evening.
So it's Final Destination tonight.
I think I had Friday the 13th yesterday, but we were too busy watching Hurricane News.
I'm not really a big fan of that, and yeah, last night we were watching the Hurricane News live, so tonight we're going to see if we can watch The Shining and just have a chill day, because we're going to get up nice and early tomorrow and spend the day in Hollywood Studios and Epcot. This time yesterday the wind was starting to get up quite a lot. Now 24 hours later there's not a breath of wind. So tonight I decided to get myself the Pocahontas doll they have about. They have all the different princesses. This is my favourite princess. So yeah, I thought I'd just have that on display in my house. We got the Aurora one for Polly. And I found this t-shirt, it has all the parks on. And on the back it's got the date of what each ride opened. That's quite nice. We just settled down for the evening watching The Shining. I'm eating the rest of my cupcake and Dave's eating the rest of his cinnamon bun. So it's much quieter out there tonight compared to last night, so we're going to chill out until bedtime.
Early night.
Yeah, I'm knackered.